Hello. Today I'm going to be discussing different tools and resources that can be used in order to create a history lesson plan. I will be mainly focusing on the Kid Citizen website, Nearpod, and Socrative because all of these tools could be useful in creating a beneficial lesson plan. Throughout this video, you will be introduced to all of these tools. To start, Kid Citizen is a free interactive website that offers historical episodes and primary sources for children. The website also allows teachers to create their own interactive episodes as well as use ones already made and integrate them into their lessons. While Kid Citizen offers information for the lesson, Nearpod is useful because it organizes the lesson into slides. Along with these tools, the Socrative tool allows teachers to create their own assessments that can test children on their knowledge and see how much they have benefited from the lesson plan. Now, I'm going to start out by asking you some open-ended questions. My first question is, how useful are primary sources in historical contexts? And my second question is, do children benefit from interactive websites? Now, these are just some questions to think about throughout this video. I'm going to start by showing you the Kid Citizen website. Here's the website. You should be able to see at the top right, there's these tabs, and it tells you what's going to be on each page. So obviously, if I'm going to be doing a lesson plan, I'd be going to the episodes. I'm not sure you can see this perfectly, but and then this avatar is a very beneficial part of this tool because not only does she speak to the children and interact with them, she uses gestures that help the children and instruct them, and you're going to be able to see in just a second.
Hi, my name is Ella. We are going to go on an adventure together. We will be looking for history clues to help us explore what happened long ago. We have a mystery to explore.
And on the bottom, these subheadings are very helpful, and they may benefit people that have hearing impairments or anything else.
Let's go.
And she takes you through the whole episode. And that's a gesture, her pointing to the picture.
Tap on the members of Congress talking in the center of this image, and we will explore the law they passed to help children.
And this is very beneficial. You can interact with this. Now I'm just going to get rid of that because you can't pause, fast forward, or rewind the video, and that's one major disadvantage to the Kid Citizen episodes, and that doesn't take into consideration all learning styles. Not all children learn at the same pace, and that's one major aspect that's not beneficial for students. Along with that, it only includes English and no other language is provided in this, as well as this video or this whole website only provides history. It does not have any other subject, and that's not beneficial for teachers because it doesn't take into consideration all of these subjects that they're teaching students. Now, I'm going to have you guys complete a mini quiz on Socrative that asks open-ended questions, and the username is Quinn5297, and the code is SOC33447122. And that concludes this.